Hello dear learners of class 7. Today I am back with your book exercise video on chapter number 14, that is winds, storms and cyclones, of unit number 6, that is natural phenomena. Here we are going to solve the book exercise, and the very first exercise is the get ready exercise, and here we need to identify the following natural disasters and we need to answer some of the questions. So here I can see the first picture is of drought, where there is the scarcity of water, there are cracks on the land. This picture is of the flood, where all around you can see water. Then this is the picture of the volcano, where the lava is flowing down from the mountain. Then this picture is of earthquake. I can see here the houses and the buildings crashed over. Then the fifth picture is of tsunami. Then this picture is of storm. Now here we need to answer the following questions. First question is, the crust or the upper layer of earth is made up of. तो जो upper और topmost layer है, that is made up of the rock and the minerals. Second is, dash can be active, dormant and extinct. So it is volcanoes. Volcanoes can be of these three types. Then the third question is, the liquid that comes out of the volcano. So liquid जो बाहर आता है volcano से, it is known as the lava. Then fourth, the magnitude of dash is measured by Richter's scale. So it is the earthquake. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on the Richter's scale. Then 5. In India, states situated at dash area are worst affected by the cyclones. So the area which is the coastal area are worst affected by the cyclone. Then comes the practice exercise. Here we need to write T for true and F for false and correct the false statements. So first statement is air moving due to the pressure difference between two regions. So it is true. Then the difference in air pressure helps the planes to fly. This is true. Then third, air rises up when it expands. This is also true. Then next is, the wind in the winter season move from the ocean towards the land. It is false. Fifth is, southwest monsoons start in the month of the September. It is false. Now moving to the next exercise, that is the practice time 2 exercise. Here we need to fill in the blanks. So the first blank is, in the summer, moisture laden air called dash move from ocean and sea towards the land in India. So monsoon winds. Then second, the center of the cyclone is called. The center part of the cyclone is known as the eye. Then third is, storm having strong wind, heavy rain, fall, thunder and lightning is called thunderstorm. Then this fourth is, lightning is mostly followed by loud sound called. When lightning happens, a loud sound which you can hear is thunder. 5. Tornado are very fast moving funnel shaped air columns. Answer is tornado. Now coming to the next, that is the main book exercise. Here tick the correct answers. So first is, instrument used to measure the speed of the wind. So the speed of the wind is measured by anemometer. In chapter 7th also we have studied about anemometer. Then second, in which of the following direction does air exerts pressure? So in all the direction. Third, which of the following is accomplished by thunderstorm? Then accompanied by. So when thunderstorm is there, lightning, heavy rainfall and thunder, all these things happen So the correct option is all of these. So you will be marking here all of these. Then which of the following develop over the sea and the ocean? So it is cyclone develops. Then next is, what is the center calm part of the cyclone known as? It is known as the eyes. 6. Which of the following states are most likely to hit by a cyclone? So which are those states? So it is Odisha. Clear? Then 7th is, which of the following is characterized by the formation of narrow funnel shaped column of air rotating at a very high speed? It is tornado. Then 8th, which of the following departments in India study cyclone patterns? So it is Indian Meteorological Department. So basically this department study about the weather and the weather patterns. So the next question here is fill in the blanks. So first is, when wind blows at very fast speed, it is called as the storm. Second is, difference in dash leads to generation of wind. So difference in air pressure. Third, warm air is less dash than cool air, so it rise up. So warm air is less dense. Fourth, dash monsoon in India set in the month of June and September, so it is southwest monsoon. Fifth, a dash is a strong wind that contains ice, so the eye is the center part of the cyclone, so answer is cyclone. Sixth is, dash is produced in lightning. Thunderstorm is produced during lightning. Next is, a dash is a violent storm. So cyclone is a violent storm. Then coming to the next, that is the T for true and F for false, and correct the false questions. So first is, with an increase in the speed of the wind, the pressure decreases. This is true. Second, aeroplane can fly because of the pressure that exert in the atmosphere. This is also true. Third is, cool air rise up and create a low pressure at which is filled by hot air in the surrounding. This is false because the hot air rises up. Second is, most part of the India receive rainfall due to northeast monsoon starting from the September. This is false because here northeast will not come, here southwest will come, then it would be true, else it is false. Then fifth, during a thunderstorm we should take shelter under a tall tree. This is false. Then sixth is, monsoon winds carry moisture with them and cause rainfall in most part of the India. This is true. Then seventh is, a violent storm accompanied by circular wind, heavy rainfall, tidal wave is called lightning. It is false. Then next is, it is very difficult to detect cyclone even if we use technology. It is false. Then coming to the next, that is match the following, column A to column B. First, air pressure decrease. Air pressure कब decrease होगा? When air pressure will decrease? When the speed of the wind increases. Then warm air. So we all know that warm air are less dense and warm airs rises up. Then southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon comes to India and receives rainfall during June and September. Then cyclone. What is cyclone? It is a violent storm with circular wind and heavy rainfall. Then insta-satellite. Insta-satellite helps to study pattern of the cyclone. Then after very short answer, give one word answer for the following. The blanket of air surrounding the earth, it is atmosphere. Then instrument used to measure wind speed, it is anemometer. Then question number 3, violent atmosphere disturbance accompanied by strong wind, possibly lightning and thunder, it is storm. Then next is storm with a strong wind accompanied by heavy rainfall, thunder and lightning. It is thunderstorm. Then fifth is a funnel shaped column of air rotating at very high speed. It is tornado. So hope so this chapter is clear to you all. So stay connected to Sciwise. Already almost all the chapter videos, the exercise and the explanation is uploaded on the channel. If you have not watched yet, so kindly watch it and stay connected to Sciwise. Thank you, dear learners.